The Arctic, a place of raw beauty, vast and unforgiving. Located at the northernmost part of Earth, it's a region defined by ice, snow, and long periods of darkness. Unlike the South Pole, which sits on a continental landmass, the Arctic is an ocean surrounded by land. Despite its harsh conditions, life persists, showcasing the resilience of nature.
The Arctic landscape is a testament to the power of ice. Glaciers, massive rivers of ice, carve their way through valleys, shaping the terrain over millennia. The Arctic tundra, a vast treeless plain, dominates much of the land area. Here the ground remains frozen for most of the year, a condition known as permafrost. Only a thin layer of soil thaws during the short summer, supporting a surprising diversity of plant life. Towering above the tundra are mountain ranges, some reaching impressive heights. The Arctic's diverse topography, from ice caps and glaciers to tundra and mountains, creates a landscape of stark beauty and captivating contrasts.
Despite the extreme conditions, the Arctic teems with life, showcasing nature's remarkable ability to adapt. Iconic Arctic animals, such as polar bears, walruses, and seals, have evolved to survive in this unforgiving environment. Polar bears, the apex predators of the Arctic, rely on sea ice for hunting seals, their primary food source. Walruses, with their massive tusks and thick blubber, are well suited for life in and out of the icy waters. On land, caribou migrate across the tundra in vast herds, their hooves adapted for navigating the snowy terrain. Arctic foxes, with their thick white fur, blend seamlessly with the snow, while snowy owls hunt for lemmings and other small mammals. These animals form a complex and interconnected web of life, highlighting the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem.
Section 4. Guardians of the North. Indigenous peoples. For centuries, indigenous peoples have called the Arctic home, their cultures intertwined with the rhythms of this frozen land. The Inuit, Sami, Nenets, Chukchi, and other indigenous groups have developed unique ways of life, adapting to the challenges of the Arctic environment. Traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, has enabled them to thrive in this challenging region. They have developed specialized hunting techniques, using kayaks and dog sleds for transportation across the ice and snow. Their clothing, made from animal skins and furs, provides warmth and protection from the elements. Today, indigenous communities face new challenges as climate change threatens their traditional ways of life. Their voices and traditional knowledge are crucial in understanding the impacts of climate change and developing sustainable solutions for the Arctic region.
Section 5. The Arctic climate, a delicate balance. The Arctic climate is characterized by long, cold winters and short, cool summers. Despite the harsh conditions, the Arctic plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. The region's vast ice caps and sea ice act as a giant reflector, reflecting sunlight back into space and helping to cool the planet. However, the Arctic is warming at an alarming rate, twice as fast as other parts of the world. This warming trend is causing the ice caps and sea ice to melt at an unprecedented rate. The Arctic's delicate climate balance is being disrupted with potentially catastrophic consequences for the entire planet.
Section 6. Frozen in time. Ice and permafrost. Ice, in its various forms, defines the Arctic landscape. From the vast ice caps that cover Greenland to the constantly shifting sea ice that blankets the Arctic Ocean, ice is a defining feature of this region. Permafrost, another significant feature of the Arctic, is ground that remains frozen for at least 2 consecutive years. As temperatures rise, permafrost is thawing at an alarming rate, releasing methane and carbon dioxide, potent greenhouse gases, into the atmosphere. The melting permafrost also poses risks to infrastructure, causing roads, buildings, and pipelines to buckle and collapse. The Arctic's frozen elements, ice and permafrost, are integral to the region's character and play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate.